I'm a personal chef and owner of Daily Squares Catering, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pancake mix with ricotta cheese. So for our ingredients, we're going to start with 2.5 cups of store-bought pancake mix, 2.5 cups of regular skim milk, and 2 cups of part skim ricotta. We'll start by mixing in our milk to our pancake mix. And then we'll add in our ricotta. And you want to whisk these together until they're just combined. So the ricotta in this will make your pancakes super light and less fattening because you're not adding butter or oil, and we're using a skim milk, so they're super light and not fattening or adding to your waistband. So you want it to just be combined and a little bit runny like this. And now we can cook them. So before you cook your pancakes, you want to make sure your surface is nice and hot. I usually leave it at about a medium temperature to medium high. You want to be sure to grease your surface and grease it after each batch of pancakes so that they don't stick. So we're going to start by putting on a little bit of the spray. And I put my pancake batter into a little squeeze bottle. The pancakes come out super circular and it's a lot easier to control. So we'll just start by squeezing out some pancakes. Oops. Now, as you can see, the pancakes are starting to bubble up a little bit on the inside. When you see a bunch of bubbles and the sides look like they're rather dry, then it's time to flip them. So we'll just wait for that. So now you can see with the edges dry, they're ready to be flipped. So we'll just flip them over. There you have it. Now they're going to rise up and be really fluffy. So then in about a few minutes, they'll be ready to go. So once your pancakes have cooked, you can plate them up and serve them with syrup or fruit. I'm Daneen Green, and this has been how to make ricotta pancakes.